From technologies fundamentally changing how we interact with everything around us, to applications that will transform healthcare and finance, that will change how we see the world and how we move within it. The next steps in AI are happening here in Oxford, writing algorithms that inform the decisions our doctors and nurses make, using machine learning to infer water table levels with smart pumps, robots that take you to see your friends, chatbots that help you navigate your surroundings, leading conversations in ethics, governance and privacy, and around the effect automation is having on jobs. Oxford researchers are at the cutting edge of the AI revolution, and it is a revolution.
I'm Steve Roberts. I'm an information engineer and I'm one of the ELLIS directors in Oxford. Oxford's got an incredibly long history stretching back almost 1,000 years. But in the last 20 years, there's been a quiet revolution taking place. And Oxford has a wealth of talent which is taking part in that revolution. Probably the biggest thing that we see are people involved in AI and machine learning coming from very different backgrounds. We bring together colleagues who are philosophers and statisticians, physicists and engineers, economists, and people involved in business and accounting and finance. Yet they all have a passion and a belief that AI can solve the biggest problems in their fields, and together we can solve some of the biggest problems on the planet. Why I am really excited by ELLIS is the fusion, not just of our talent locally in Oxford and across the universities in the UK, but across the whole of Europe. Having worked in many institutions in Europe, I see a breadth and depth of talent which I think is unmatched anywhere else in the world. Yet we must come together and join in union to make the world listen to what we have to say about AI and machine learning.
Hello, my name is Eui. I am a machine learning researcher based at the Department of Statistics in Oxford. I am also one of the co-directors of the ELLIS unit at Oxford. I spend actually half my time in Oxford and the other half of my time in DeepMind. I think Oxford is an excellent place for doing machine learning and AI research, and not just in terms of applied research, but also in terms of theoretical research as well. So at Oxford, in the stats department, there's quite a lot of different machine learning researchers as part of the ELLIS unit that works on theoretical foundations of machine learning.
Hi, my name is Mike Wooldridge. I'm head of Department of Computer Science at the University of Oxford, and I've been an AI researcher for the last 30 years. And it's my pleasure to be able to acknowledge our role in ELLIS and talk a little bit about what we can contribute and what we hope to be able to gain from being part of ELLIS. So Oxford is an ancient university and it's famous as a collegiate university. What that means is the traditional academic barriers between different subjects don't exist at Oxford. We're used to working not just in our own departments with others from other subjects and from across the whole spread of the academic spectrum. And that, I think, is what's unique about what Oxford has to offer ELLIS. We aren't a tiny, narrowly focused group. We have incredible breadth of activity, right from philosophical foundations of our field through to direct deployed applications, many of which have found a role in the 2020 pandemic, where Oxford is playing a leading role internationally in responding to the pandemic. So it's what I think is unique about Oxford is it's that spread of activity. But what that spread of activity tells us is that we can't be inward looking. We need other voices. We need to be able to talk to other people. We need to be able to work with other people. And we need to be able to work with our colleagues in Europe. And ELLIS gives us a wonderful framework to be able to do that. So we're looking forward to be part of ELLIS and to participating fully in the spread of activities that ELLIS has to offer.